Welcome back everyone to the channel. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Japanese craftsmanship with the all-new 2026 Lexus LS500, a flagship sedan that redefines what elegance, comfort, and performance mean in the modern era of premium motoring. The LS series has always been Lexus's statement of quiet sophistication, and this 2026 model takes that legacy to an entirely new level. If you thought Lexus had already perfected luxury, wait till you see what this new LS500 brings to the table. So buckle up as we explore every inch of this magnificent machine, from its refined design to its cutting-edge technology and powerhouse performance. When you first look at the 2026 Lexus LS500 from the front, it immediately gives off a commanding yet graceful presence. The iconic spindle grille has been redesigned with a more intricate 3D mesh pattern that blends beautifully into the sleek headlamps. Those ultra-slim LED headlights feature adaptive matrix technology, ensuring crystal-clear visibility in any condition, while also adding a futuristic touch. The front bumper is sculpted for aerodynamics, and the chrome accents subtly highlight its elegance without going overboard. Lexus has also worked on making the front fascia more aerodynamic, reducing drag and improving efficiency, which means you not only look good while driving, you glide through the air with quiet precision. Moving along the sides, the LS500 boasts a silhouette that's pure sophistication. The long wheelbase and flowing roofline give it a coupe-like profile, despite being a full-size luxury sedan. The flush door handles pop out elegantly when approached, and the chrome trim along the window line adds that extra layer of refinement. The 20-inch forged alloy wheels come in various finishes, including a dark titanium option that gives the car a bold yet mature stance. Lexus engineers have refined the suspension system for even smoother ride quality, and you can feel that meticulous attention to detail even when the car is standing still. Everything looks balanced, grounded, and harmonious. At the rear, the LS500 continues to impress. The taillights now feature a full-width LED bar that runs seamlessly across the trunk, creating a sense of unity and width. The Lexus logo sits proudly in the center, replacing the traditional chrome badge with a new illuminated emblem for a futuristic touch. The lower part of the bumper houses sleek dual exhaust outlets integrated into the design, while the subtle spoiler adds a sporty flair without compromising its luxurious demeanor. The overall rear design is minimal yet powerful, leaving a lasting impression whether you're arriving at a hotel entrance or disappearing down a city boulevard at night. Inside the 2026 Lexus LS500, luxury reaches a new level. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by a symphony of craftsmanship. Every surface, every texture, every detail is designed to indulge the senses. The interior combines traditional Japanese artistry with cutting-edge innovation. Soft leather, open-pore wood trim, and hand-folded pleats on the door panels reflect Takumi craftsmanship at its finest. The ambient lighting is inspired by Japanese lanterns, creating a calm and welcoming atmosphere. The seats are not only heated and ventilated, but also offer shiatsu-style massaging functions, adjustable in multiple ways to deliver personalized comfort. The rear cabin feels almost like a private lounge, especially in the executive trim where you get reclining seats with ottomans, individual climate control, and an advanced entertainment system. The technology inside the LS500 is just as impressive. The dashboard is dominated by a large 14-inch high-definition touchscreen running the latest Lexus interface system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded voice assistant. The 23-speaker Mark Levinson sound system turns the cabin into a concert hall, delivering crisp, rich audio that elevates every journey. The digital instrument cluster and head-up display are customizable, while the steering wheel features capacitive touch controls for seamless operation. Every function feels intuitive, from the climate controls to the navigation, reflecting Lexus's philosophy of creating technology that feels human-centered rather than overwhelming. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus LS500 continues with a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, refined for more power and smoother delivery. It produces around 416 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts with near-invisible precision. The car glides from 0 to 60 mph in about 4.9 seconds, quick for a vehicle of this size and class. What stands out, though, is how quiet and composed it feels even at high speeds. Lexus has incorporated advanced sound insulation materials, adaptive noise control, and even active suspension damping to ensure every ride feels like you're floating on air. There's also an available all-wheel drive system for improved stability and control in any weather condition. The hybrid variant, the LS500H, offers a balance between power and efficiency, combining a V6 engine with electric motors to deliver smooth acceleration and better fuel economy for eco-conscious drivers. In terms of safety, Lexus continues to be a benchmark in the industry. The LS500 comes equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and intersection support. There's also a new driver attention monitor, automated parking system, and a 360-degree camera with enhanced object detection. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising down the highway, the LS500 constantly watches your surroundings to keep you safe and confident. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Lexus LS500 starts around $80,000 for the base trim and can climb up to around $115,000 for the fully loaded Executive and F-Sport models. While that places it in the same league as the Mercedes S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Audi A8, Lexus stands out with its unbeatable reliability, craftsmanship, and lower long-term maintenance costs. It's a car that doesn't just scream luxury. It whispers refinement and quality through every mile. If you're looking for suggestions, the LS500 is ideal for drivers who value serenity, design, and precision over sheer flashiness. It's not trying to compete in being the most aggressive or the most digitalized. It's more about timeless comfort and reliability wrapped in elegance. However, for enthusiasts craving more performance or a sharper driving experience, the F-Sport variant adds dynamic suspension tuning and sportier aesthetics that make the LS500 feel more alive behind the wheel. In conclusion, the 2026 Lexus LS500 is more than just a car. It's a moving masterpiece. It combines the grace of traditional luxury with the intelligence of modern innovation. From the handcrafted interior to its whisper-quiet powertrain and advanced safety suite, it's a vehicle built to satisfy both the driver and the passengers in equal measure. Lexus has once again proven that true luxury isn't about shouting. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose the LS500 over its German rivals? Thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned for the next drive where luxury meets performance.